You want a drink?
Yeah, please.
Don't care which kind?
Nope.
The wet kind?
Yep.
Got it.
Okay, it's official. The Jeep engine build starts now. So this is the bake oven. I don't even know how long it goes in here for, but we're getting ready to put it in there and fire it up, and then it goes over to the shot blaster. And this has got some really super fine shot. You can see.
Okay.
I'm ready. Oh, we haven't built the first one yet.
No.
Here's the safest place to run.
There's no escape.
All right. It cooked what, at 450 degrees for like 20 minutes?
Yeah. Maybe even 22. Like the instructions said.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can lift that thing by myself because she's heavy. And I'm sure it's going to be a blast of nice warm air. Oh yeah, definitely. Oh, it looks pretty bad.
Oh, that looks nasty.
So this is step one. Burn all that paint off, burn all the oil out of it, burn all the coolant out of it.
It's pretty warm. Shoot the block with that gun and see how hot the block is.
Back where it should be. I'm saying like 300 plus.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, so let's see. This is
372 degrees. 387.
So I would say the thermometer, the temp is pretty accurate.
Yeah. Yeah, there's definitely some heat coming off of that.
Yeah.
Okay, for right now, until we get a crane set up in here, the forklift is the only way to move everything.
Let me go turn the phase converter on. Burning propane here. Okay. That thing is still quite toasty.
Yeah, still radiating heat.
Yes. Oh man, we need to replace those shocks.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think you're right.
Okay. Breaker's not. pulling about 9. You could load it with a little more shot, but it's gonna eat that just fine.
How long is it running that one?
It's gonna run for about 8 minutes, 10 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, it's right at about 10. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I think you're right. That's cool. Oh, that's clean.
Yep. All the paint's gone. Isn't it beautiful?
That's crazy.
All the surfaces are clean, ready to be magged and checked for cracks. Cherry.
So cool. Sweet.
Don't be crashing into the door. Okay, we're gonna have to level that thing out. Yes? The eagle landed.
So this one's the top. It's crazy how clean that gets out.
Okay. Hear all the shot.
Yeah.
Does that for 20 minutes. It's like a it's like a carnival
I was
ride.
gonna say the same thing. Okay.
All right.
Carnival.